Once you have run your payroll, you may be required to send an EPS to HMRC in addition to an FPS. The EPS must be sent by the 19th of the month of the following tax month. Any submissions sent after this date will be rejected by HMRC. An EPS is only needed if you have processed SMP, SPP, SAP or SHPP on your pay period, even if you got an advance from HMRC to cover them. If you need to claim employment allowance, this only needs to be claimed once a year. Or if you need to reclaim CIS deductions as a limited company, you need to claim a national insurance contributions holiday for the previous tax years, you need to pay the apprenticeship levy, or you have not paid any employees in that tax month. To access the EPS, click on the HMRC Comms icon on the home screen and select Employer Payment Summary. This screen will appear. From the drop-down, select the month that the EPS relates to. Any statutory recovery amounts from SMP, SPP, SAP and SHPP will automatically be added to the submission, so you do not need to populate the field with these figures. It is important to note that when adding these figures, MyPAYE will submit your year-to-date totals. So if you miss a month in error, the following EPS will update the HMRC with the correct overall totals, which should negate any issues with HMRC. You will then have to answer the following 6 questions. For questions 1 and 2, if you are recording a period of inactivity, as in not paying any employees for that relevant period, by clicking on Yes, you will be asked to enter the dates. If you are entering CIS deductions suffered in question 3, enter the amount in the box provided. Otherwise, leave it with the zeros. For the purpose of this video, for question 4, we have not entered bank details for this employer. It is an advisory note stating that if refunds are due, you can enter your bank details so that any refunds due will be paid back to you directly. Question 5 is about notifying the HMRC if you are closing the PAYE scheme. Mark it as no unless you are ceasing trading. Question 6 advises the HMRC if this is your last submission for the tax year. This generally would be sent in month 12, however, there may be some exceptions to that rule. If you are unsure, you can raise a call with the help desk and we can advise you. Click on Continue. The system will poll the HMRC and will advise you if you have success. If there has been a rejection, you will need to correct the issue and retry. Again, if you have any problems with the rejected submission, you can raise a support call for additional assistance. Click Continue and you are taken back to the home screen. This completes the video for sending an EPS. If you have any further questions, please contact the help desk and we will assist you.